What's going on, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got a shout out UAG guys. They sent out a case for your boy. This is an iPhone 15 Pro case video. So today we definitely got one of the latest and greatest cases. This case has been out for a while, but it's just one of the most goated cases out. Is the UAG Monarch. Now I've been rocking this case for a long time guys, on a lot of different devices. This is one of them cases that's top level protection, and like the coolness factor is all the way up. So you can see UAG. Now this is the Monarch with the KEVLAR in it, so a very dope addition to this case. I love the green colorway, I love the KEVLAR, I love the little orange like highlights on the back of the case. Very protective case here. No MagSafe on this one. This is for your iPhone 15 Pro. This is just the Monarch, not the Monarch Pro. The Monarch Pro does have the MagSafe, but you do get 20 feet of drop protection and KEVLAR. Take a look at the back. We got DuPont KEVLAR reinforced inlay, handcrafted 5-layer protection, impact resistant with soft core, traction grip, and also protection screen surround. Now I think UAG was listening to me, because I always say a good grip stops you from dropping your device in the first place. So shout out to them for listening to your boy BG. UAG, one of the easiest unboxings. You just lift up like so, and we greeted with this case with this immaculate finish. I love the finish on this case. I love this colorway, and I love this inlay of the KEVLAR. It looks super dope, super protective, almost futuristic, neat and cool. Just a lot of stuff in one case. So here we go guys, nice green colorway. I love the orange accents. You hear that guys? Carbon fiber is really dope. Look at the bottom, you got cutouts for everything, even dual lanyard cutouts. That's very dope, so you can hook it to maybe like a lanyard, like a over the shoulder type lanyard. I like that a lot. Raised up button press. Now I wish they did have a button for the action button. They have a nice big cutout so you can press it, but the volume rocker, I love their button press. Nice big bolstered up buttons with the plus and minus symbols. And you see we got grip. Grip is a big part of drop protection. You look at this side, we got a power button, same nice button with some symbols on there, also nice and bolstered up, and some more grip. Each corner has a nice protective bolstered up like air cushion for in case you drop it guys. That air cushion is definitely going to absorb, because a lot of times we drop our devices, they hit the corner, and these cases are ready for that, top and bottom. Now this is what it's going to look like on your iPhone 15 Pro guys. You're going to have a nice raised up lip around your cameras. Just look how gorgeous this case look guys. Nice easy button press. You're going to be able to get in there for your action button. And when you look at the front, you got a nice raised lip for protection. If you want something that's super protective and unique, you're going to have to holler at UAG. A lot of case companies try to mimic this look guys, but they have a design and just a quality of materials factor that is hard to beat. Look at the cutouts on the bottom, ready for the lanyards. Very dope case here. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.